Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to be going over can shapes have the same perimeter but different areas. So we know already that in order to find the perimeter of a object, we have to do perimeter equals side plus side plus side, depending on how many sides we have. So here I have these two shapes, and we're going to find out if these two shapes have the same perimeter. So right here I have 3, and I have up here 2. I have 3 here, and I have another 2 here. So my perimeter would be 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So my perimeter for this shape is 10. All right. Now, if I go over here, my perimeter would be 1 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, plus another 4. So what is the perimeter of this area? Well, let's see. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So right now we can see that both of my shapes have the same perimeter. They both equal 10. But do we really think that these shapes are going to have the same area? Well, let's find out. Area, we know, I'm going to use green for area. Area, we know, is equal to the length of our shape times the width. So let's find out. For this side, we would be doing 3 times 2. So my area would equal 6 over here. Now, over here, my area would be length of 1 times the width of 4. So my area would be over here an area of 4. And remember, these all have, since we don't know if they're centimeters or not, we're just going to say units squared. Units squared for that one, and this one would also be units squared. Okay, so as we can see, we have two shapes that have the same perimeter. Their perimeter is 10, right? 10 units squared. But their areas are very different. On the left, I have 6 units squared, and on the right, I have 4 units squared. So you are able to have two shapes that have the same perimeter, but different areas. So you guys are going to be working with this today. You're going to be looking at two different shapes. You need to find the perimeter of both of those shapes to first determine if they have the same perimeter. And if they have the same perimeter, find out their area. See if they have the same area or different areas. All right, that's it for today. Have fun. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them online, and we'll try and answer them the best we can. Bye.